Hi everyone, Anna and Glenda here from Access Allergy. Somebody shared this reel on Instagram with us regarding allergies, and you're gonna get our live reaction to it just now.
First time watching it. Let's see.
You don't have to if you don't want to.
I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to.
You don't have to if you don't want to.
So for sure,
Absolutely. This is absolutely true. So if you have a food allergy, you should go to a restaurant, talk to your waiter, let them know to talk to the cook or the chef, let them know about your food allergy, because if they cause cross-contamination between your food and your food allergen, you could have a severe reaction.
yes, this is completely true. And also make sure you always have your EpiPen handy.
Let's see. HEPA filters versus non-HEPA filters? Old filter versus new filter. Got it.
So he's essentially saying it's really important to switch out your filters regularly, so make sure you're on top of that. And Glenda can talk about different types of filters.
Absolutely. So very important for people who have dust mite allergy and pet dander allergy. Since these allergens are indoor allergens, they can accumulate in your home. So you want to make sure that you're changing your air filter at least once every 3 months, and preferably you want to use HEPA filters.
You can also find HEPA filters in your vacuum cleaner. So if you're vacuuming up pet dander, you want to switch out that filter and make sure it's fitted with a HEPA filter so you're not recirculating dust mite protein and dander throughout your room when you're vacuuming.
I have a dairy allergy. If I order this breakfast burger with no cheese, will I be safe to eat that? Oh yeah, that should be safe. Perfect, I'll do that then. Thank you so much. Here's your breakfast burger, ma'am. This is just a piece of lettuce. We realized that the bread has milk in it and the grill has butter, so we took away all the bread and meat. I wish you had said something sooner so I could order something else. That'll be $12.
So this happens a lot to people with food allergies. This is actually best case scenario for someone with food allergies, because their restaurant was being careful and did not serve them milk or things that had milk in it that could have caused a reaction. So even though they got lettuce and paid $12, it was actually safer for them than if they would have had food that was contaminated with butter or milk in the bread, etc.
And importantly, it's always important to mention your allergens at a restaurant to your server so they can always clarify the ingredients. And if they're unsure, they should go back and ask the chef so they can verify that none of those ingredients are anything that you're potentially allergic to. And as always, make sure you have your EpiPen on hand.
Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, or our website. Thanks for watching, guys.